Possibly my most popular request is to do a bow tie tying demonstration. So, very quickly, here's how to tie a self-tie bow tie. You're going to start with the collar up and the top button fastened, and you'll select the collar size on the back of the bow tie. By the way, if you're going to a black tie event, you don't wear a red velvet bow tie. This is just for the sake of the demonstration. Just to bear that in mind. Black tie, black satin, black silk tie, that's what you need. Start with the tie drapes around the neck and a simple knot to begin. Like that. So you'll end up with a short piece and a long piece at the front, short piece at the back towards the chest. Thumb in the fat part of the tie and across the front of the collar like that. Take the back longer piece and drape it down the front, and you can already see the shape of the bow coming together. We take the two wings and in between your finger and thumb and pull them forward, giving you a hole at the back. Then the back piece that's hanging loose, fold it in two and post it through the hole at the back, catching it on the other side. Now, it's going to look very rough. All you do is neaten it up and you'll then see the four parts of the bow. At the front, a tab and a loop, and at the back, a loop and a tab. All you're going to do is pull the two loops in opposite directions. And then with the tabs, pull the loop back through to the middle of the knot again. And again, grab the two loops and pull them apart. That should tighten the knot enough that you can just then adjust it. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect and symmetrical. There's something quite charming about the roughness of a bow tie, something that looks a little bit hand-tied rather than machine-tied, if you see what I mean. So that's your self-tie bow tie. And the bonus of this is that at the end of the night, after a hard evening's dancing and partying, when carriages arrive at 1 AM to take you home, you can just, in James Bond style, loosen the bow tie, undo the top button, and you look like an international spy. So anyway, let me know what you think. Is it worth the hassle for tying your own bow tie? I think it is, because I think they look very smart. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you next time.